Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm going to be installing the overlays by CruxMotorsports on the side reflectors. This is how it comes. This here, if you notice, it has a little D, kind of like how you're seeing on the tail light overlays. It's all mentioned so that way you know which one's which. So this will go like this. It tucks in into this area, also covers the bottom area. And that is it. First thing you want to do, as always, I'm going to go ahead and clean the area. I already did this already, so that way we're eliminating some extra time here. But just clean the area thoroughly. Same thing, you want to align the film. You use your finger. Any excess you want to go ahead and tuck it in with a squeegee, and you can use a heat gun if you like. Once you have this nicely positioned, you can go ahead and tuck this area down. I like to go ahead and clean off my fingerprints. And that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a squeegee here, go ahead and tuck this area in, and then we'll finalize and we'll do the other area, and that is it. Alright guys, already started doing this right here with a heat gun. I'm using a nice little squeegee. You can find this on Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and finalize this up. I'll put the link on the description for this type of kit if you guys want to go ahead and invest in that. Makes life much easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn low heat. I'm using a hair blow dryer. You can also use a heat gun, whatever you like. Use low setting, be patient, heat up the area, and then just tuck the rest into where it needs to go. Same thing for the bottom. Until you finalize it and make it look nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and finalize this one here, heating up, making sure everything looks nice, crisp, and clear. And that is it. We'll wrap this up. Alright guys, there you have it. It's fully done. Went ahead and we did both sides. Once again, you can get this at CruxMotorsports at CruxMotos.com. You can use Boosted Whips. You get 20% off on all vinyls. So check them out, guys. This makes the car look much nicer. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing some chrome delete as well on the top windows. We're going to be doing yellow fog overlays and so many more. We got so many videos coming up for the Civic Coupe SI, and it's a new chapter as well. Thanks for following, guys. Until next time, Boosted Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.